part 2 is insert a line of code to change the password contained at index 4 of the list, test passwords, from 123456789 to Moonlight. So currently this would have 123456789, which you can see above, just there, and we want to overwrite that and change it to Moonlight. So this is very straightforward piece of code in here. So after the list here, we're just going to, so if you can in your exam tomorrow, if you can, kind of maybe label your parts there. So part 2 there, what we want to do is we want to overwrite. This is a simple just list indexing overwrite. So if you think about it here, you've got your index numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So whether you do it 4 or whether you do it -1, it's completely up to you. It's completely up to you, but you want to overwrite that with, I think it's called Moonlight. Let's just have a quick double check. Yeah, Moonlight. So you can go 4 or -1. It's completely up to you, your choice. But once you've got that done, that should overwrite it. And let's run it to test it. And now we've got Moonlight coming out there. So let's clear a shell. Have one more look at it. Moonlight. So that's perfect, and that's part 2.